how to resize images in Canva simple tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This video we're going to be talking about resizing our images in Canva, how we're going to do it. I'm going to walk you through it all in the easiest, most simplest steps. So to start things off, to resize your images, the first thing that you need to get is the pro plan, because if you don't have the pro plan, then you will not be able to resize your images. Because if you go under features over here, it's going to give you the magic resize feature, but I'm just going to get you straight into the design to show you how you can resize your images. So once you come into your template over here, okay, you can choose any image. You can click on edit photo, okay? And once you click on edit photo, obviously the resizing of your images can be seen through here in your Magic Studio. So in the Magic Studio, you know, if you have any image that you want to add, so let's say we have this image over here, okay, just click on edit photo. It's going to give you magic eraser, magic expand, which is obviously your resizer, okay? So this is your resizer, and you're going to need the pro plan for this. But once you have the pro plan, as you can see, you can resize these images to what they could potentially be. You could be in 1:1, 16:9, you know, whatever you want. You can smart crop them. So yeah, that's how you're going to resize your images in Canva. And you're going to need the pro plan for it. But once you do get that, it's going to be a piece of cake. So yeah, that's about it.